What is up, guys? So today is New Year's Day. I'm gonna go and set up a prank because I want to prank Aussie today, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So I bought some props like 3 weeks ago, and they came 3 weeks ago, but we've been so busy with Christmas and New Year's. So I got some ass juice. So this thing is revolting, I swear. I just smelt the tip of it and I was like, bleh. And then I bought this from the shop. I have to open it, but if you don't know what it is, it's Lou Goo. It makes farting sounds. I'm gonna go into the lounge room, and I really don't want to mess up our couch, but you know, it's the risk you gotta take when you do these pranks. And then I've already ripped the box, but I'm gonna shove the camera in here and put it like, he's calling me. I'm folding the clothes. I'm folding the garment out. I just wanted to show you what sound this thing makes. So this is it, and then you make the sound. I don't know.
Hey, hey. Sao một môi đó con đấy hả? Ở đây môi yêu. Môi ô đấy là phải đọc vào đúng không? Ô chế pha à mà ngăn đủ. Hey, môi con phúc.
No, leave me alone. I'm tired.
Tired, leave. Ô chế pha à mà ngăn đủ. Mà lâu lót cho pha à ngăn đủ. Ô à mà nụ. Stinks. Stinks. Môi cái đi cái pu. Môi mặc chích ô. Hey. E moer niet meer kijken, broer. Stinks, maar niet meer. stinks.
Stop! I'm tired.
Something air fresh, so not a cover, I don't bully it. Or something air. Hey. Stinks. Hey. Hey. Shh. Let me be no kid there. Can't handle. So stinks. Stinks. Babe, you stink too.
What are you doing to me?
What do you mean? What do you think to me? Get more and make you.
No.
Yes. Ew, he stinks, girl. Ew.
Stop lying. I never fart.
Pillow.
My tummy hurts.
Your kind of pillow. Yeah. Can't believe you stinks, girl. So stinky, eh? Stink the whole house. You bomb the whole house and the whole world. Go crazy. What's that? What's that?
I sprayed it in his face. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't.
Whisper.
Our house stinks. Look at him looking at it. What's that?
Liquid ass.
It stinks.
What's that?
Oh, this is what I used, guys. Oh my god, it's terrible. It was so hard for me to refrain from laughing when he started, you know, saying all what he was saying. I was like cracking up inside, literally giggling. Oh, our house smells. This is going straight in the bin. Oh.
Why?
I bought it online. I've been planning this prank. Planning this prank for a while. So guys, Team Victoria all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. If you're on Team Victoria, we don't take L's, we just take dubs. What?
How did you make the fart? Did you fart for real?
No.
Yes, you farted for real. It's like...
No, I use this. I got this from Smiggle, free promo. Ready? Oh, now it's not gonna do it. Oh, there you go.
Oh, I see.
Damn, that was nasty. That was so nasty.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications so you get every time we upload and you don't miss out. Comment down below, Team Victoria. Hashtag Team Victoria. We don't take L's.
Yeah, guys, so now you know Victoria is the stink ass. This prank is good, but I'm telling you guys, this is Victoria's life.
Aussie, you gotta recuperate, come back stronger than your snake prank.
Don't worry.
Then your snake
I'll
prank.
take it back. I'll take it back.
Ngao feo a menga sa wesios.
For real, for
Ngao
real.
eo lusa.
Aussie make a good one for you guys.
We love you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe. And you know the rest of it. Siaosi Victoria signing out.
Casi